Hundreds of thousands have protested President Donald Trump's travel ban across the country, including here in Maryland. And now the ACLU has filed a federal lawsuit, the very first in the state, challenging the executive order.
This lawsuit is a broad challenge to all of the aspects of the president's order and seeks a declaration from the court that the order is unenforceable.
The plaintiffs are two Maryland organizations that serve refugees and 7 individuals, including 4 John Does. One is a man from Baltimore County who says that his parents in Iraq faced threats and harassment in the country. And now their immigration visas that had been approved but not yet issued are in jeopardy. Another is a man in Anne Arundel County who says that his wife in Iran was preparing to join her husband in the United States and had a visa in processing when the ban went into effect.
You have people who came as refugees and are now citizens or lawful permanent residents who simply want to have family visit them in times of need.
David Roca from the ACLU of Maryland argues that the travel ban is rooted in irrational fear and that it has no basis for policy, while the president says it's about safety and security and that moves to fight it defy common sense.
If you remember, ISIS said we are going to infiltrate the United States and other countries through the migration. And then we're not allowed to be tough on the people coming in? Explain that one.
Well, so the lawsuit was filed against President Trump, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence, the State Department, and Department of Homeland Security. Today, Homeland Security Secretary John Kelly told Congress that the executive order was put into effect smoothly, but his only regret was not telling Congress earlier. Reporting live in the studio tonight, Kyrie, WBAL TV 11 News.